September 24th at 1:25 p.m., we received information of a man with a gun in the courtyard of the La Quinta City Hall.
911, state your emergency.
Police.
Okay, how can I help you? What's your emergency?
La Quinta police station, man with a gun.
Okay, they're at the police station?
Yeah.
Okay, who's the... Hold on 1 second. What is the address of the cross streets over there?
Calle Tampico,
Calle Tampico and what?
Washington.
Okay, and is this person with a gun white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
Don't know.
Okay, did you see the person?
Yeah.
Okay, so did you see, you couldn't tell what race he was? Was he light skinned, dark skinned? Was he, okay. Was he light complected, dark complected?
No. Bye.
Who?
22.
So what? WMA, probably in his 60s or 70s, white shirt, black shorts. He has a rifle with him.
Copy. White male, 67 years old, white shirt, black shorts, and holding a rifle. Where exactly is he?
He's coming by the parking lot right now next to our units. He seems agitated. He's walking back and forth.
Copy. Subject appears agitated, walking back and forth in the unit. 43 copy right?
That's not approaching right now.
43, let's tell us.
42, let's check for air and K9. Dude,
Copy.
he's
Any
gonna...
K9 monitoring?
Yeah, dude.
And watch manager confirm your copy.
Yep.
Copy.
He doesn't have a bullet right now.
So, show me in the area of Tampico.
Drop the gun, sir! Drop the gun! Gunpoint. Drop the gun!
Special Unit 73 for gun point.
Tell me.
Shots fired, shots fired. Medical.
Tell me. No.
Copy.
Put your hands up! Drop the gun! Drop it! Drop it! Drop the gun!
Medical. Tell me.
No!
Here's the incident again in slow motion.